Hi guys, welcome back. It is Friday and we are mixing up a perfectly refreshing drink since it's gonna start getting warm out. We're mixing up a Negroni for you. So Kevin, take it away.
All right, so today's a classic Negroni. One of the easiest drinks there is. All you do is 1 part gin, so about an ounce of gin. Hendrick's is one of my favorites. One part Campari.
So it's 3 equal parts, right?
Yep. An ounce of each. And then 1 part or 1 ounce of sweet vermouth.
And are these things a lot of stuff that like people usually have if they have a pretty stock bar?
Should.
Well, luckily liquor stores are still open. So
And
you
always
guys
use a
can
good
go
sweet
out.
vermouth. Don't use like a cheap martini Rossi. And then all you're gonna do is you stir it. So it gets cold, about 20 stirs. Put your ice cube in your drink. Strain it.
Looks so good.
And then run orange peel, garnish. And that's it.
Awesome. It looks so refreshing. I love the color too. Good?
Good.
Is it like the perfect drink for the weekend? It's good. It's a little tart. Is it a little tart? I don't even know.
It's bitter.
It's bitter. Yeah, it's a little bitter, but it's really good. Awesome. Thanks. Hopefully you guys are making these drinks. So what I did was I actually linked a blog, linked to our blog that I put the whole recipe on there and how to make it and everything. So you guys can just log on there and see how to make it. So it won't disappear too, because I think this is definitely something that we're gonna keep doing, right? We'll see. Kevin's like, we'll see. Awesome. All right. So I have a bunch of perfectly comfy, cozy pieces for you guys. We just got a bunch in. They're all on the website, and we were very impatiently waiting for them, and they finally came in. So I am gonna move over that way and show you guys all of those perfectly comfy, cozy pieces. All right, I am back. So the top that I'm wearing, this hoodie, I speak fluent Italian. I love this one. But what I did, so I'll show you guys the original one. What I did was I actually cut it because I felt like it just inhaled me. So it is a one size oversized hoodie. It is super comfy, cozy, has a cute pocket. I speak fluent Italian, and then we also have one that says I speak fluent French, and it has different French designers. But like I said, what I did was I just cut mine this morning. I just felt like because of my height, it was a little bit too long, but it looks so cute on people that aren't like as short as me. So really comfy, cozy, perfect for the weekend, perfect for all this lounging we're gonna be doing. Even if you're going out on a walk, these hoodies are perfect, especially because it still is a little chilly. So you can throw on a cute little vest or a cute lightweight jacket over these and you're not gonna freeze. So we just got this hoodie back in. It is on the website, it is updated. And we just got these and I'm so obsessed with these. So do not disturb, especially while I'm watching my Netflix. Do not disturb. And these are oversized also, as you can tell, but they are size small, medium, large. And then we have 2 others. Veni, Vidi, Vici. So I saw, I conquered. I had to look that one up. And then we also have Ciao Bella. How cute that one is. And on the inside, they are so plush and soft. So these are super cute. Great over a legging, great over a jean. You can do so much with these, you guys. And then we got a couple pouches too. We restocked on Fluent Italian. I'll save the best pouch for last. I Speak Fluent French is restocked. And then are you ready for this for all my dog lovers out there? I like dogs and some people. So these make great gifts. You know, with Easter coming up, we can create a cute little Easter basket for you guys. And you can fit a lot in here too. So this can be your makeup bag. This can be your little accessories bag. You know, if you just have a bunch of stuff that you need to throw into a little bag and throw it in your bigger bag, these are perfect. So we got in a bunch of great sets. I mean, sets are definitely the way to go right now. It is those pieces you can put on and feel put together, bless you, without actually having to like think too hard. So this is the Cadence jogger. Really lightweight, really easy, a nice stretchy waistband. It's not too tight, sits a little bit lower, so it's not one of those like super high rise joggers, but that one's really cute. And that's the bottom of those, so it definitely comes in a little bit tighter on the ankle. So that is the Cadence. And then the Cadence also has a matching top. So what I love about this top is that it is a half sleeve. As you can see too, it's kind of like a rough cut, but it's finished still. So you can see the rough cut there, finished there, really lightweight and easy. You can definitely tell how lightweight it is. It's gonna be perfect for when the temps definitely start to rise. The next set I have for you is the Landry. And if there are sets or pieces that we don't have your size in, we might be able to order them still. So reach out. What I did was I put my phone number on here so you can just text me, ask me about a size if you don't see it on the website. And we can definitely look into getting it for you. So this is the Landry set. So this is a wide leg set. So we were definitely seeing a lot of jogger sets, and now we're seeing a lot of wide leg sets. So definitely a trend, but it's not one of those things that you have to get rid of all your joggers. By all means, wear those joggers because they are still so cute. I know I am, but I do love to mix it up sometimes with a wide leg. So that's the Landry pant, and then it also has the match. Oh, it's trying to reconnect. Okay, I'm back. So it has the matching top. I love this green and pink tie-dye. We're seeing so much tie-dye now. Really nice, a little bit oversized, lightweight, so cute. And then the next set I have for you is a little more of a brushed material, which is so pretty in this purple. I believe we only have one left of the top, and then this is a medium. And then this is the Memphis set. Love this purple tie-dye. It's so, so pretty. And then we also have the matching pant. So these are definitely pieces that I just want to lounge around in all weekend. And then the Memphis pant also is a wide leg. And I don't know, I just love sets, especially these comfy, cozy sets. A lot of them too, you can still, if you need to run to the grocery store real quick, or, you know, if you can't get whatever you need delivered, you can run out real quick and, you know, it's fine. You still look cute and put together. And then this is the Wren bolt set. Look at those cute pink bolts. I love those. So remember guys, last time I was saying bolts are so big. We're still seeing stars, but bolts are definitely the new star. I love the stripe too, and the hood on the back. It's just so easy and fun. Throw this on with a black legging. If you don't feel like doing the whole set, black legging, you can do it with a jean. You can even do a little bit of a rough tuck with it. So, so cute. Finished bottoms on those. And then there's definitely the back and the front has a little swoop to it. It's a rounded hem, which is really cute. I could not remember the word I was trying to use. So that is the Wren top, and then we also have the Wren bottom. So it has cute little lightning bolts on top, just like the hoodie, and then the striped bottom. There you go, so cute. We also uploaded some new sets on there, so you guys have to check out the website. They're all on there. All of these too, you can see what they look like on. They're all on a model. This one is not part of a set, but it is so cute. All right, you guys know we obviously love all the lips. Like we love the lips on the tees and the lip accessories and everything. And this is the Gianna lip pullover. How cute is that? It is made from a really nice brushed material. All these pieces are so super soft. I'm loving this pink too. So throw it on with a black legging, throw it on with a jean. If you have a matching short, maybe you can find a cute matching short or a black short to wear this with. This one's so cute. So this is the Gianna, a little bit oversized also, but doesn't mean that you can't rough tuck it, right? The next one I have for you is the Monroe, and calling all my leopard lovers out there, because this one is so insanely cute. Okay, so the Monroe is a rainbow leopard print in that nice brushed material. Has a great hood on there, and it is slightly cropped, not too cropped, just slightly. And it has the matching shorts too, which I love. Look at how cute those are. So you can sleep in these, you can lounge in these. I mean, you can do a million different things in these. And I love the rainbow leopard print. I mean, it's like, where have you seen that? I think it's so cool and different. And then last but not least for my sets, we have the Roxanne. We restocked the top, which is so cute too. It's by one of our favorite brands, 650. It's a marble washed, has the bottom again where it's just a rounded hem. The back is just a little bit longer. And the bottoms, we only have 2 smalls left, and that's it. A lot of these sets we are definitely running low on. But the bottoms are just awesome. They match the top perfectly, really nice brushed material. And then that's the bottom where it just has that really nice elastic bottom. So this is the Roxanne set. There you go. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. It is supposed to be beautiful here. So hopefully you get to get out, enjoy some of the sun. I know that always makes me feel a little bit better. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are here answering all of them. And we are shipping basically every day. So you get your items really fast. So have a good weekend, and we will talk to you soon. Bye guys.